Dear students, today we will do the cause and difference point. You know what is a cause and difference point? It is that level of uh, output or in units where the two machines give you the same total cost. So here we have a two machines A and B. Variable cost on machine A is 50 while on B is 10. Fixed cost on machine A is 50,000 while on machine B is 1,50,000. And currently the company is producing the 2,000 unit. So the company seek your advice that which machine they have to opt for. Now let's start with the cost and difference point. First I'm changing it in a rupee. Then now I will find out the cost in difference cost and difference point. The formula is difference in fixed cost divided by difference in variable cost. So this minus this divide by this minus this. So 2500 is the cost and difference point. So it means if you are producing the 2500 units, machine A will give the same total cost and machine B will also give you the same total cost. Now we will find out the total cost under that for the different um units of output under machine A and machine B. Output I'm taking the difference of 500 and I'm dragging up to 6,000 unit. Here we will find out the total count of machine A for the current level of output. So we have to add variable cost and fixed cost. So current output is this into variable cost on machine A is this. Now this variable cost will remain same for any level of output. So we have to fix this cell by pressing F4. So when you press F4, that cell becomes fixed and the dollar signs comes against the row as well as against the column. So this is the total variable cost and then you will add the fixed cost here. Again you have to press the function F4 to make it the cell fixed. This is the cost for the current output on machine A. Similarly, we calculate for the B current output into variable cost in machine B. Again, fix the cell plus fixed cost, fix the cell. Now we use the data tables. Select these three columns. Go to data, what if analysis, data table. In the column, you will put this current output and OK. Now you can see at 2500 unit, the cost is the same whether it's a machine A or machine B. Now we will create a curve, insert the line curve, then right click, select the data, select from the zero output all the three columns, then unclick the series 1, edit it and put the and select the output column. Okay. Now series 2 added machine A and for the series 3 machine B. Okay, so this is the cost of difference point. Now chart title, change the chart title, cost indifference curve. Now from the here from the button plus you can write the axis title. You can take the legends here, and from also here you can get the up down bars, which I'm not taking it here, but as you remember in the break even point you can also put the up down bars from here. Now X, you can change the axis name, its output. Similarly here also its total cost. Now if the company asks you that right now the company is manufacturing the 2000 units, so if you want to show on this curve, what you can do is you can insert from the illustration, you can insert a shape, and on 2000 unit, for that I think we should add it here. We can take this one, and if the current output is 2000, and if you want to highlight this, go to insert illustration shape 2000 here. You can put a line at 2000. So at 2000 you can see you can change the color of these lines also. Now you can see you have to make some adjustments here. So at 2000 the cost in machine B is higher than the cost on machine A. So if the output is current output is 2000 units, you will choose the machine A. You can also get this from the table that a 2000 on machine A the cost is 150, but on machine is B is 1,70,000. Similarly, if the company increases the uh, output at 5000 units, then again you can go to insert illustration shapes arrow, and on 5000 you can again insert a shape, and now you can see if you increase your output to 5000 units, the cost on machine A is higher than the cost on machine B. You can highlight here also. So on 5000 unit, the cost at machine A is higher than the cost on machine B. So this way you can make the cost indifference point.